Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Wellness Warriors Hub. Today, we are diving deep into a topic that affects millions of us: the connection between fast food and cancer. Whether it's a quick burger on the go or those irresistible fries, fast food has become a significant part of our diets, but at what cost? Let's find out. Fast food chains are everywhere, serving quick, tasty, and affordable meals. However, the convenience comes with a hidden price: our health. Many fast food items are packed with unhealthy ingredients like saturated and trans fats, excessive sugars, and high salt levels, all of which have been linked to an increased risk of cancer. Saturated fats, found in animal products and some plant oils, and trans fats, created by partially hydrogenating vegetable oils, are staples in the fast food industry. These fats contribute to the taste and longevity of fast food products but have a dark side. High intake of these fats has been linked to breast, colorectal, prostate, and several other types of cancer. Fast food sweetness often comes from high levels of added sugars, particularly high fructose corn syrup. Consuming large amounts of sugar can lead to insulin resistance, a precursor for several types of cancer, including breast and colorectal. Additionally, fructose metabolism produces harmful byproducts that can damage our DNA and lead to inflammation. Fast food is notorious for its high salt content. A diet high in salt can increase the risk of stomach and colorectal cancers and exacerbate the virulence of certain bacteria like Helicobacter pylori, linked to stomach cancer. It can also contribute to hypertension, a risk factor for several cancers. The way fast food is prepared also plays a role in its link to cancer. Frying at high temperatures leads to the formation of acrylamide, while grilling meat produces heterocyclic amines. Both of these compounds have been associated with an increased risk of various cancers, including ovarian, endometrial, kidney, colorectal, pancreatic, and prostate cancers. Fast food consumption is closely linked to obesity, a well-known risk factor for cancer. Obesity can lead to hormonal changes, chronic inflammation, and alterations in signaling molecules produced by fat tissue, all of which contribute to an increased risk of cancer. Moreover, a sedentary lifestyle, often associated with fast food consumption, further increases this risk. Fast food is part of a larger dietary pattern characterized by high intakes of processed foods, red and processed meats, and sugary drinks, all linked to cancer. The Western dietary pattern, prevalent in fast food culture, increases the risk of colorectal, breast, and prostate cancers. Understanding the link between fast food and cancer empowers us to make changes. Opting for fresh, whole foods, incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, and embracing a healthy lifestyle can significantly reduce our risk of cancer. It's clear that while fast food might be convenient and tasty, its implications on our health are serious. We all have the power to make better food choices and create a healthier future for ourselves and generations to come. Let's make those changes today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.